You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this gemstone, a variety of chalcedony that comes in different colors. This is also a given name, female girl's name. Comes from French, I believe, from Greek and Latin, and then French, then English. Agate. Agate. Stress on the first syllable. Yes, the spelling is confusing, but the pronunciation is pretty straightforward once you know agate, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.